Here's a 2016 GMC Yukon. Well built, well liked, and well up to the task. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Ecotec 3 engine, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, rear park assist, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, hands-free liftgate, Apple CarPlay, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection remarks the GMC Yukon makes a compelling luxury that's also good for towing, trekking, and getting dirty. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.